Good morning, guys. How are you? So, do you know about Bruxism or night grinding? No? Let's discuss this. So, Bruxism or night grinding is something which a person does in mostly in the night. He will grind his teeth like this. So, this the upper layer of all teeth it will become the eroded or wear off. So you'll feel more sensitivity. This can be one of the cause if a person is feeling too sensitive. This is something that you will not really know that you are doing night grinding like this. But if you are feeling too sensitive, go to dentist. He will tell you what is the reason for the sensitivity. And if night grinding or bruxism is the reason for your sensitivity, you should wear night guard. Night guard is a special device which we wear in the upper and lower teeth so to prevent the direct contact of the teeth and thus preventing the wear of your teeth.